How's it going? Walk with me as I show you my favorite spot in downtown Florence. Now this spot is located right in the heart of downtown Florence. However, is not known by many tourists, making it a truly authentic spot for locals. Now, you might be wondering where I'm taking you, and it seems like a desolate alleyway. Well, look no further than this unmarked door. This is known as the Jazz Club. Now, at about 10 p.m., you're gonna have a bouncer here and a line of people walking out to that corner there. Now, for just €10, you get a ticket and a drink on the house and a whole night of fun. Welcome in. Now, if you've ever been to Florence, one thing that you'll notice everywhere throughout the city is music. The sound of music is always all around you, no matter where you go. Follow me as I take you to one of my favorite street performers in the city. Well, there I am. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Anyways, let's go over to my next spot. Ciao. Thanks for joining me at one of the coolest bars downtown Florence has to offer. We're over here at North. Now, this is the kind of spot you come a little bit later into the night, might have yourself an Aperol Spritz, maybe a smoke on the patio. Why not? What you'll find inside, a little bit of an open mic scene. So you might get comedy, you might get live music, or my personal favorite, on Monday nights, they will do an open floor jazz band where you'll see the coolest up and coming aspiring jazz artists in Florence. Could drag me away. Why, oh, say